And the last way that you can make the honeymoon phase last, don't get lost in the sauce. What does that mean? The honeymoon phase is a fantastic time. You feel great. Everything is great. Everything is shooting rainbows and snorting cocaine. It's awesome. But you have to remember the honeymoon phase, contrary to popular belief, is not for you. It is for her, so that she can pair bond with you and turn off her hypergamy so she doesn't look for other men. You must be a bystander. You must be someone who sees but doesn't fall into. Let her enjoy all the riffs and runs of the honeymoon phase. Let her do that. You maintain faculties, maintain sharpness. Do not become weak and comfortable and succumb to the honeymoon phase. Because what happens when you do that, when the honeymoon phase is over, all of a sudden she starts acting differently and you're blindsided. You have to always be on guard. And I know that sounds exhausting, but the alternative is another failed relationship. Which one would you prefer?